Assalamualaikum. This is Shakil and you are watching my channel The Tree. Today I am here to create 3D model in CATIA, and I will do machining 2 of this part by using of different operations like pocketing, profile contouring, and so on, and other functions. So I will create 2 videos. Actually, in my first video I will create a 3D model of this part that is shown in your screen, and in my second video I will do machining of this part. So let's start the video without wasting your time. Okay, guys, the dimension is given in your screen, so you can take a screenshot to draw a sketch in your PC. So I will create this 3D model in CATIA. Let's have a look at figure. The diameter of the bigger circle is 55 millimeter. It means that its radius is 27.5. So this distance is 27.5. Actually, what I am doing here, I am creating 2 circles here, and then I will create a pad to acquire this shape. Actually, I am just sketching this part. I am not talking about this part. I am just sketching this part. So I am working on it. The diameter of this smaller circle is 40 millimeter. It means its radius is 20 millimeter. So this distance is 20, and this distance is given that is 38 millimeter. So I need to create an axis. Let's say x-axis is 20 millimeter and the y-axis is 38 millimeter. let's have a look of 3D model. So I have created this part, so I need to create this part now. So I will select this surface and create a rectangle of 140 into 18, that is its 140 millimeter length and 18 is height. So I will create a rectangle of 140 into 18 in this surface, and then I will create a pad. Okay, it's fine. It's perfect. So guys, what we have learned in this video, we have learned how to create 3D model in CATIA V5 to use different commands like pocketing, pad command, and so on.